Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Windows operating system. So let's see how we can do this. So for that, what you need to do is you just need to click on your Windows icon here, Windows Start icon, and then go to Settings. And once this setting window opens, you just need to click on the Update and Security option. And once this window opens, you just need to click on the recovery option here. Now you can see two options. One is the reset this PC option, and other is advanced startup option. We are interested in the resetting of our PC, so we will proceed with the first option, right? Now it will not harm you to read everything before going ahead. So it says if your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal file or remove them, and then reinstalls Windows. Okay, so let's click on this Get Started button. Now here you have two options. So if you want to use your PC after the resetting, then you might want to choose the first option. But this video is for the resetting of our PC to give somebody else. So we might want to remove everything, all the files and apps, and reset it to our newest form. So I am going to choose this option, remove all the files, and now it's going to give us these options. Now, as I said, if you want to keep your PC, you can go back to the previous step and choose all these options again. But I have chosen the remove everything because I want to give this PC to somebody else. And now in the next step, I see the current settings option here. Just remove your files. This is quicker but less secure. Remove all files only from the drive where Windows is installed. Okay, so I'm going to choose the settings from here. You can see data eraser, just remove your files. This is a quicker but less secure option. And the second option is remove all the files only from the drive where Windows is installed. So definitely we are going to choose this option because we want to make sure that everything is secure and safe. So I'm going to choose this option, and you can choose this option also. So both options you can choose at the same time. And at this point also, if you don't feel like resetting your PC, or if you don't want to give your PC to somebody else, then you can cancel this process. So this is the last step before we start the process of resetting. So hopefully you have backed up all the data which you want to back up into a hard drive or somewhere else. And if you want to get help, you can click on this button also. So for now, I'm going to just click on the confirm button, and then I see this window which says remove files and clean the drive. This may take hours but will make harder to recover files. Other option is remove all files from all drives. And also you can see it says show me the list of drives which will be affected. So I can click on this option, and I can see the drives which will be affected by this reset. So I have created this F drive manually. So after the reset, this drive will be deleted or cleaned at least. So I'm okay with it, so I will go ahead with it. At this point also you can change the settings which you have chosen, and if you are happy with those settings, just click on confirm and then click on next. And now on the next window, I can see ready to reset this PC. Resetting will remove all the personal files and user accounts on your PC, remove any changes made to the settings, and remove all the apps and programs. This will take a while and restart your PC. So at this point, just make sure that your PC or laptop is connected to a power supply, because it will be restarted several number of times, and it can take few hours to reset your PC. So once you have made sure everything is okay, just click on the reset button, which is going to prepare this PC for the reset, and then it's going to restart several times. So at this point you don't need to do anything, just leave your PC on a table and you can do something else everything will happen automatically until you see a start window. And now I can see that my Windows operating system has been restarted, and now Windows is preparing for the reset. So now at this point my Windows is factory resetted. So at this point I can just switch off my laptop power and then just give this to the new user for his use, right? So whenever he will start this PC, he will see this kind of window where he can choose the country, for example, and then he will be able to choose the keyboard layout. So he will give his credentials to this Windows operating system because it's now totally resetted, and he will give his preferences like keyboards and languages and other preferences according to his tastes. How you can factory reset your Windows 10 operating system from the login screen. And somehow, let's say you are not able to log into your system. So I'm going to show you how you can reset your Windows operating system to the factory default settings so that you can give it to somebody. So for that, most probably you will see this window when you start your Windows operating system. On the login window, you will be able to see these options at the bottom right corner. So what you need to do is you need to just press on the shift key. So just press on the shift key and then click on the power button here. Okay, so press on the shift key and then click on the power button and then click on the restart button. So press shift key and then click on restart here, which is going to show you this kind of menu. So here in this menu, just go to troubleshoot here, and then you have this option to reset this PC. So just click on this option which says reset this PC, and you can see it says let's you choose to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstall Windows. So I'm going to just click on this option, and here you have two options: keep my files and remove everything. So most probably because you want to give it to somebody else, so you may want to remove everything from your personal computer. So I'm going to choose this option which says remove everything, and once you press on the remove everything button, you will be able to see this kind of window which will appear here. So here it says reset this PC. Your PC has more than one drive. Do you want to remove all the files from all drives? So in this case, I'm going to choose this option which says all drives. I have this option also, only the drive where Windows is installed. But in this case, I want to choose this option which says all drives. Now on the next window, I have these two options here, and it says, do you want to fully clean your drive? When you remove your files, you can also clean the drive so that the files can't be recovered easily. This is more secure, but it takes more time. So I'm going to just say fully clean my drive option here. And then on the next window, I see getting things ready. And here you see this window which says all ready to go. Make sure that your PC is plugged in. So make sure that your PC is plugged in with the power source, because it might take 2 to 3 hours to reset your Windows 10 operating system. So here it also says that resetting PC or resetting will remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC. It's also going to remove any apps and programs that don't come with this PC, and it's going to remove any changes made to the settings. So basically it's going to factory reset your Windows operating system. So this is the last stage before which you can change your mind or you can just press cancel here, and after you press reset, your PC will start the process of reset. So think twice, and then if you are sure, just click on the reset button, and once you click on this reset button, the resetting of your PC will start. Now, as I said, this process might take 1 hour to 2 or 3 hours. So just leave your PC at some safe place. So now at this point my Windows is factory resetted. So at this point I can just switch off my laptop power and then just give this to the new user for his use, right?